humahanga o sumusuporta sa Mapua. Hanging in there. Missed by Lugo. Lead is down to 7.
Crucial yun.
Karakot. Na double team. Caught stepping on the sideline and good trap from Velves and Victoria. So from that time on na nag-free throw si Lugo, 10 seconds ang natapyas. And caught stepping was Josh Karakot. May timeout po tayo dito. 59-52, only a 7-point lead for San Beda. However, Mapua only has 59 seconds to turn things around.
Sayang yung free throw ni Lugo. It could have been a 2-possession game. Ngayon, it's still a 3-possession game here. Again, you go back sa pinag-usapan natin kanina, you can still go for a 2 as long as it is a quick 2. You need to get the best shot available here,
Yes.
whether that is a 2 or a 3. And then, you might have to go to the foul game at hope and pray that San Beda misses their free throws.
Malalaman po natin yan in just a few. In the meantime, LA, habang may oras pa tayo, papasalamat kami sa lahat ng bumubuo ng ating team, mga Sports 5. Ano? The men and women behind this great production. You guys did a good job. Maraming salamat for making sure that season 90 of NCAA was covered well. From Chang Fortune
Oo, maraming
to
mga
Jello, to
heroes yan.
Bernard, the Cinco Llagas brothers, Tati Chio, Joey Santillan, Key, everyone. JR, Kenneth, salamat ha. Yan ang mga tao po na hindi po natin nakikita araw-araw. Pero dahil sa kanila, ito, ang tunay na laban ipinapakita namin sa inyo. Here we go, Lugo going inside. Victoria has it. They have to make an attempt here. Underneath, Velves, reverse is good and the lead is down to 5. San Beda naman ang hihingi ng timeout, 47.4, 59-54.
Velves with a very difficult reverse there. But again, it is just a 5-point lead. Ito si Lugo creating for his teammates, dishing it off to the waiting Velves with a nice, that is a very difficult shot para dito kay David Velves.
Fourth quarter naman na, sabi mo eh. No?
Oo nga eh. So now, he's coming alive. 47 ticks remaining. Just a 2-possession game. Bola dito ng San Beda.
At binubuhos na ng crowd dito. Sabay ang cheer ng Mapua crowd. Sabay ang cheer ng San Beda crowd. Again, NCAA Saturday. It will end in 47.4 seconds. Ang maganda na partner.
Maybe.
Maybe. Yung mananalo dito, 21 titles, winningest high school club in NCAA juniors basketball history.
Yun eh. At for San Beda, it will be more historic, especially because it will be their sixth straight championship.
Wow.
Dami ng coach yan. Ato Patulado, Britt Roma, itong si Coach JB Season. But that championship tradition lives on. Etong
That's right.
sina Benji Paras, nandyan din, nakita natin. Kasama din yan, Ronnie Magsanok, Eric Altamirano,
Oh, yes.
JB Casio, Renren Ritualo. Ay nako, maglista ka. Tradition yan dito sa San Beda Red Cubs. So tingnan natin dito, 5-point lead for San Beda.
We are at the edge of our seats. Kami po ni L.A. Mumar. Chiqui Reyes po rin nandito. 47.4 seconds. Ito na ba ang final seconds ng Season 90 Juniors Basketball? Will San Beda get the crown or will Mapua get the crown? Bordeos na double. And tapik ni Aguirre. 4 seconds ang natapyas sa ating orasan. 21 seconds ang natitira sa shot clock. Diputado calling play 3. Where will they go? They want to go to Karakot. They couldn't. 5-second violation.
5-second violation. Crucial turnover there. Opportunity for Mapua here. If they score fast, they don't need to foul.
Tama, dahil mahaba pa ang oras. Ang tanong ngayon dito, how quickly can they set up and gaano katapang ang depensang ipapakita ng San Beda. That roll Will take a while before Lugo picks it up. Ayan, napulot na. Lugo has it. Who will be brave enough to shoot? Concepcion for three. Oh! Venga! 59 to 57. Purake.
They don't need to foul. They don't need to foul. A turnover there.
Turnover here. Velves on the other end. And
Oh!
we are tied at 59.
Wow!
We are tied at 59.
Mapua is alive! Mapua is alive! Wow! Kasamang Chiki!
24.4 seconds. Nag-umpisa yan ng free throws ni Noah Lugo.
Concepcion burying a three.
And Velves hitting an open layup. And right now we're having a problem on deciding who will be our best player for the simple reason
Hindi namin alam kung sino mananalo kasi
at baka magkaroon tayo extension.
Oh, baka magkaroon tayo ng extension dito.
That's the three of Concepcion. Another look, another angle. Same result, bottom of the net. And because of that three, the lead has been cut down to 2. And then right after that, this was the possession na hindi naalagaan ng San Beda. Picked up by Lugo. Quickly to Velves.
Hindi pa nga ginamit ni Velves yung board eh, no? Kinabahan pa dito yung mga mag-walkout. But now ito, if you are San Beda, ang mindset mo dito dapat tabla o panalo.
Yes.
Eh, nakita natin to nung seniors match nung Arellano versus San Beda.
Oo.
Natapikan si Tongko doon na naka-lay up pa tong si Enriquez, I believe, on that play. So ito, tabla panalo lang dapat dito for San Beda. Again, they need to. They are on a 13-2 run talking about Mapua. But the crucial part here is number 1, kasamang Chiki. Good inbound.
Good
Kanina
inbound.
hindi sila naka-inbound, 5-second violation. Pangalawa, no turnovers. So again, crucial time. Here,
Both teams are in the penalty. 22 seconds remaining. Lugo. Sumugal ng sundot.
both teams are in the penalty.
Karakot. Na double team. Decapia.
Oh!
And Decapia losing control. Couldn't handle the pass. That was a good pass. An open lane.
No timeouts for both of these teams. 12.9 seconds remaining here. Kasamang Chiki.
At nakatayo na po ako. I'm encouraging my partner to stand up as well. Because this is a beautiful game that we're watching. Two great schools. 10 great players on the court. 5 on either side. Whoever wins this one deserves it.
Ito naman, tabat, tabla o panalo lang para dito. Lugo needs to make sure he milks the clock.
5 seconds remaining. 4 seconds remaining. Lugo will spin. Lugo will not hit that target. And we will review. If there is still time on the clock, we will review.
What a game. High school basketball at its best. Right now.
Oh my, oh my. The Mall of Asia Arena in Pasay is rocking.
And Lugo, that is the main man right now, bringing his team to life. Ito si Lugo.
This is actually an open look.
Oo eh.
Para
So
kay
that
Noah
spin
Lugo.
move. And that is a very makeable floater para sa kanya. Unable to make it, tapikan ng bola. Kaya lang tumama pa dito sa isang San Beda Red Cup. Mukhang
So baka may
round.
oras pa.
Kung may oras pa.
Now, sigh of relief for Decapia. Made an error. Mga kaibigan, may break po muna kami. We'll be right back.
NCAA Men's Seniors Basketball Tournament is
Cheers. Why not? LA 59-59. We're still studying kung meron pang naiwan or overtime na tayo. Wala pa, no? We haven't decided that.
Oh, and what looked like a sure win.
A one game.
A one game for
So I think
San Beda. Ngayon, they're still reviewing if meron pang time na natitira. Kasi mukhang meron pa ako dun sa replay na napanood natin kanina kasama Chiki.
at kung pakikinggan mo yung usapan ng Mapua, 0.8, enough for a catch and shoot. So another look here. Sigh of relief here for Decapia. After that error, nalampasan siya ni Lugo. But Lugo didn't hit that floater and its last touch on San Beda. That's right.
Tama.
0.8. So yung huling huddle ng Mapua, we heard a bit, no? Saying, Coach, pwede ako dito, pwede ako dito. I think they knew that they will have the last attempt here in regulation.
Again, both teams are in the penalty, so San Beda hindi pwedeng fumal dito.
It's 0.8 to go, 0.8 of a second. Catch and shoot. Yan ang kinakailangan gawin ng Mapua. On the other end, San Beda. They have to make sure that they defend well without fouling. Both teams in penalty. So dito, sabi mo nga, tabla panalo. Habol ng Mapua. Kanina, yun yung sa San Beda. Eto na. Victoria will inbound. Catch shoot. Nope. Pumeke pa si Noah Lugo. And great defense coming from Mark Diputado. 40 minutes is not enough. We need 5 more minutes before season 90 of Juniors Basketball of the NCAA comes to a close. Wala ho sa inyong bibitaw sapagkat kami ni LA excited pa rin for the extra 5 minutes. 59-59. San Beda Red Cubs, kala po namin kanila na ang pang-anim na titulo pero pumalag ang Red Robins.
Again, dito yung championship experience lalabas para dito sa Beda Red Cubs. What happened was they were up and then pwedeng panalo na, natabla. But again, there's still 5 more minutes. All is not lost. They can actually win this game, win the championship. So they just have to forget about it and move on.
13-2 run, ano, yung kinall out natin, diba? 13-2 run. Some of the highlights here, apat po aming papakita sa inyo. Yan nag-umpisa, Velves underneath, ano, kasama ko ito ng, or rather, that's David. Ito yung back-breaking 3 ni Sherwin Concepcion. And then the heads-up defense here by the Red Robins. Lugo to a streaking Velves, tying it at 59 before this attempt by Noah Lugo to seal the deal. But we need 5 minutes more. Red Cubs versus the Red Robins. Ito, LA. Tapon mo na yung stats din.
Oo, tapon mo na yung stats.
First 40 minutes, ano?
You know, nabanggit natin in this series, it was role players or yung mga, not the usual suspects, but itong in Game 3, Josh Karakot stepping up 21 points, actually taking charge para sa San Beda in that the middle of that fourth quarter, and then Noah Lugo naman para dito sa Mapua, taking charge, 17 points, 10 rebounds para dito kay Noah Lugo. So it is the battle of superstars here. So let's see if San Beda can regain their bearings.
And Karakot going baseline, ipinasa pa. And a foul will be called on Raymond Pascua.
And you can
Isa ng
see it
balikat.
right here. We're in court side. Kasamang Chick, you can just see it in the eyes of Joshua Karakot na he's gonna try to take over this basketball game.
Pero yung huling field goal niya, LA, was that free ball for his 21st point. Medyo matagal-tagal na. So let's see, nanlamig na ba si Joshua o hindi pa? First free throw is good, he has 22.
Ito si Abatayo, pinasok na rin. He actually was brought out because he sprained his ankle and thinking that they had this game wrapped up. But ngayon, mapipilitan siyang maglaro dito. Let's see how he fares.
Split by Karakot. So yung pressure medyo gumagapang na dito sa ating mga batang mga manlalaro. Extra 5 minutes. Nabawasan na po yan. 4:39 na lang ang natitira. Lugo. Pascua. Extra pass to Velves. Pinasa pa. Bola nasa baba. Velves reverse. And Velves will go to the free throw line.
Ano nangyari kanina kasamang Chiki? We said that the biggest thing here is the 1-3-1 defense of San Beda. And if Mapua is able to convert, because yun ay minibigay, they will be able to get back into this game. That's
Yes.
exactly what happened. Lugo converted the 3, Concepcion into the 3, matched with a lot of defense, a lot of turnovers para dito sa San Beda, at they were able to tie this game. So again, crucial free throws para kay Velves. He was actually even struggling from the line a little bit.
Pero nabanggit mo, fourth quarter man to.
I remember his first free throw, I think in the second quarter, ano lang yung board na tinamaan, no?
Parang hayalay nga, sabi natin, di ba? But he knows when he is needed. And now is the best time for David Velves. Like games 1 and 2, kung saan pumuputok siya palagi pagdating ng fourth quarter. First is in, we are tied at 60. At mananatili po ang ating score sa 60. Double lane violation. At ang possession araw natin, mananatili po sa Mapua. So hindi pa lumalamang dito, partner, ang Mapua Red Robins. 20 ticks sa shot clock ng Mapua. They go to Lugo. Backdoor. Victoria. Wala. Gets his own miss. Out to Velves. They will use up some clock again. Lugo again. 4:09 remaining in overtime. Lugo. Hand off to Velves. Velves. Layup. Wala. Sanbeda on the attack. Narakot. Siya naman ang gagatas ng konti sa kanilang shot clock. Under 4 minutes remaining in our overtime period. Karakot pulls up for a three. No. Aguirre gets the rebound. Ang tanong, sino may nerves of steel dito? Concepcion for three. No. Follow up ni Victoria. Hindi na nagawa yun. Sanbera with the ball. Karakot, Eurostep, extra pass. Alas will give the lead back to Sanbera. 62-60. 3:10 remaining. Velves, they go to Lugo. 9 to shoot. Velves has it. Back to Lugo. Lugo will go inside. Lugo nagpasabit, nasupalpal.
3 seconds ang matitira dito sa shot clock ng Mapua.
Right idea by Noah Lugo, but the defense was also great for the Red Cubs. Two people making sure that Lugo will not have an easy access. Earlier, ito yung ginawa ni Ken Alas underneath, giving Sanbeda 2-point lead, 62-60. 3.5 seconds on the shot clock. Catch and shoot. That was too early, I believe, for Concepcion. Could have gathered it a bit. Under 3 minutes remaining in the overtime period. Abatayo taking that jumper. Gets his own miss. Blocked underneath, but there's a foul on Nico Abatayo.
Great job mula dito kay Abatayo, keeping that ball alive. He missed that shot, but the court presence to follow that up. Sometimes, paminsan, pagka sobrang sama ng tira, mas maganda pa, no? Mas makukuha mo.
At ang kadalasan, di ba, shooter ang may alam kung saan pupunta ang bola. Aguirre is out. 5 fouls on Denel Aguirre.
Again, Aguirre fouling out. Etong si ano naman, si Calderon was thrown out. So, si Bonifacio ba? Nag-foul out na. Oo, no?
Etong
Oo, si Bonifacio nag-foul out,
out
na rin.
na. Itong
Aguirre nag-foul out na rin.
dukot ni Coach Alcantara. Salenga, Jasper Salenga, called off the bench, is in the game in the final 2:32 of the overtime period. Abatayo hits his first of 2 free throws. One more coming up. Sanbeda up by 3. Make that up by 4. 64-60.
2-possession game here. So, crucial juncture here for Mapua.
Lugo. They're moving the ball around. Lugo has it at the corner. Lugo uncorks a 3. Too strong. Victoria will go to the free throw line. Abatayo matatawagan ng foul.
How many times have we seen Victoria do those scrappy things na intangibles para sa kanyang kupunan? Kung sa San Beda merong abatayo, dito naman sa Mapua si Victoria.
Bordeas out, De Capia will be fielded back in. Now Victoria will take 2. Matibay kaya itong si Victoria sa free throw, mintis ang una.
Again, crucial to so that they can at least chop it to a one-possession game kasamang Chiki. Again, the pressure here. Thousands of people watching.
Second is good. Halos lalabas pa yon. Lead is down to 3, 64-61. And matatawagan ng foul si Salenga trying to steal that ball away from De Capia. So this is a good opportunity for De Capia to redeem himself. Kanina, hindi niya nasalo yung pasa sa kanya ni Karakot. And muntik siyang malusutan ni Noah Lugo. Perfect opportunity for De Capia. First free throw is in. Tibay din ang dibdib nitong si De Capia. 65-61. Oras po natin, 2:11 remaining in OT. De Capia, second, up, and in. 5-point lead for the Red Cubs, 66-61. Salenga out. Pasco ang ibinalik. Pascua against Diputado. Di makawala si Pascua. Victoria has it. Last 2 minutes, second time we're hearing it. Lugo has the ball. Lugo. Pascua at the corner. Down low is Velves. They kick it out. Lugo is open for the 3. No. And Victoria will be called a foul dito kay Karakot.
Again, these fouls that haunted them in game number 2 ay nauulit na naman kasamang Chiki, and what's happening is they're unable to set up their defense and they're giving the opportunity para kay San Beda to get easy baskets with these free throws.
Joshua Karakot already with 22 points under his name. Last year as a Red Cub, hits the first of 2. And brings the lead up to 6 for San Beda, 67-61. Patibayan ng dibdib na po dito. A minute 44. 104 seconds remaining. Second free throw of Karakot also in. He has 24 and the lead is up to 7. Lugo. Concepcion. Pasa kay Pascua. Inagaw ni Diputado and Victoria will be called for the foul.
And another foul mula dito sa Mapua. At again, mariregaluhan na naman itong San Beda ng 2 free throws. And so far, they've done very well. 4 out of 4 the last 2 trips. Again, ito naman si Diputado. So yung mental fortitude sometimes kinakapos in terms of Mapua. I'm sure Coach Randy Alcantara is just telling his guys to just play defense. Give your defense a chance to stop the opponent. Don't just foul them.
They were able to do it in regulation.
Oo, yun nga eh.
Diputado missing the first.
3-possession game dito kasamang Chiki. Eh, halos nandito tayo sa sitwasyon na kung nasan tayo kanina.
Tama, ganyan din yon.
Ganyan din yung 7 kalamangan with around a minute and a half remaining.
Second by Diputado. Also a miss. And down on the floor, we will review if it's last touch on Salenga or on Alas. So pag-aaralan muna natin mga referee. It would be Garferio and it will be referee Garferio would be reviewing kung last touch ang San Beda or ang Mapua. Doon po sa mga kabubukas lang po ng inyong mga telebisyon. Live po tayo ngayon na TV5 and Action TV. Ito po ang finals. Game 3, San Beda, Red Cubs and Mapua Red Robins. Umabot po tayo ng overtime. Extra 5 minutes Natapos ang regulation, 59 all. Another look here. And from this angle, quite hard to tell. I will try to look for another angle to determine kung kanino ang bola. 68-61. A minute 29. At ang hatol, ang hirap niyan, ano? Pag ganun kadikit yung tapikan. So may decision na. It's unbearable. De Capia will inbound. Pass to Abatayo. Sundot ni Salenga. 21 to shoot for San Beda. Diputado will inbound. Underneath to Abatayo. Abatayo will score! Making it 70-61, 9-point lead for the Red Cubs. Velves to Salenga. Pero bago pa tumira itong si Salenga, may foul na itatawag na rito kay Abatayo.
Again, wincing pain itong si Abatayo. Remember, in the fourth quarter, he suffered a sprain. At kaya mas masakit yun dahil he will be watching the last minute and 21 seconds here. But a little power move by Abatayo. He just willed that shot. Abatayo coming to play here. Talagang difference maker. Itong energizer ng San Beda.
So nasulit pa siya, no, bago yung fifth foul. Velves, you mentioned top of the coverage. Free throws. Ito, babalikan mo.
Yun nga. So San Beda shooting so much better from the free throw line.
Second for David, still out. And Karakot collars that rebound. And a foul will be called, I think, on Salenga.
So another trip for San Beda, and it is looking good para sa mga bata dito ni Coach JB Season. Remember, they lost game number 1. A lot of people doubted if they could actually continue the winning tradition here. 5-feet na wala daw si Tolentino, si Mocon, si Diputado, si Rev, hindi.
Yes, the
si
other,
Kuya
the
ni,
older.
the older Rev Diputado, si napakadami, Abuda, Abude, at
Sabi mo nga, di ba, new breed na to eh. Ng
Oo.
mga players, and yet, they carried on the tradition. So far, so good. Concepcion for 3, hits the 3 ball.
Ayaw
Teka lang.
ko dito ni Concepcion, kanina na pag ginagawa yan.
71-64, 7-point lead. The defense of Mapua working double time. It's a jump ball. And ball will remain with San Beda. 15 on the shot clock, 1:03 on the overtime period clock.
Again, matagal pa yan. This is just a 3-possession game.
So, pwestuhan ni Alas and Concepcion. Diinan ng katawan. Wala pang inbound dyan, ha? That's not tango. That's not cha-cha. That's a defensive dance by Concepcion. Here we go. Karakot looking at the clock. Pasa niya kay Diputado. Diputado against Salenga. Hook pass. Karakot has it. Karakot has to throw it. Tumama ng ring. Tapik. And a foul will be called on Concepcion. Or on Lugo. Second on Noah. 44.2 seconds remaining. Alas will be tested once more on the free throw line. Not his favorite spot. But then again, he can make it from time to time. 8-point lead. Proud father.
It's weird seeing Coach Louie Alas wearing red.
And he hits both. Ken Alas giving San Beda a 9-point lead, 73 to 64. 44.2 seconds remaining, and we will not say that this is the final 44.2 because that didn't happen. But so far, Coach LA nag-bounce back on San Beda after, should I say, folding up in the closing minutes of regulation.
If it were another team, losing a 7-8 point lead in the last minute and a half, they could have totally collapsed. Okay, but what happened is they folded in regulation. The game was brought into overtime. And yung championship experience, good coaching adjustment mula dito kay Coach JBC. And of course, Josh Caracot and Nico Abatayo taking over the overtime. They jump-started it again, just like how they
Yes.
started this game. And ngayon, they are in the driver's seat, up by 9.
44.2 seconds remaining. Coach Louis Alas on your screens, of course. Junjun is also there. The whole family supporting Ken Alas here. And earlier, he made 2 of 2 from the free throw line, giving San Beda a 9-point lead, 73 to 64. Coach JB Season smiling at us. Sabi niya, ang hirap daw.
Hirap daw.
Nice to see both coaches trying to outwit each other. Coach Randy, Coach JB. Here we go. Bola po ng Mapua. Concepcion at the corner for 3. Wala. Bordeos. To Caracot. Leak out play. Decapia. Decapia. Will not score. Follow up. Wala pa rin. Pasa ni Concepcion. Too strong for David Velves.
But it looks good. Kasamang Cheeky. Coach JB Season looks like he is gonna steer his team to a 6-peat. May nakatumba dun. Josh Caracot, I think.
So, something happened again at the baseline, but Caracot picks himself up.
But I'm telling you, yung mga sakit ng katawan na yan, if you're a Red Cub, hindi mo na masyado maiisip yan.
Bukas na yan.
Baka hindi nila maramdaman yan at all, Kasamang Cheeky, because they are 29 seconds away from a 6-peat. And we have to give kudos to Coach JB Season. A lot
Oh,
of
yes.
guys doubted them this year. Hindi daw kasing lakas ang San Beda. Hindi daw kasing lupit. But Coach JB Season, at ito mukhang tatawagan pa ng fragrance of Coach JB Season, making things happen together with his coaching staff there. Really, kumbaga hindi lang talented yung mga players nila. There's good coaching. It is an overall phenomenal program by Coach JB Season. So talagang credit goes to him, the players, their management, the school. Talagang napakalupit nitong San Beda and dominance here in the NCAA.
Yung 2 free throws po ay nanggaling sa foul ni Lugo at may girian pa rin dito between Pascua and Diputado. And matatawagan ng unsportsmanlike foul si Diputado, I think, for that exchange with Raymond Pascua.
And you know, that's the thing with Mark Diputado. Magaling na player to pero medyo kulang sa composure din tong bata
Medyo mainit,
na to.
ano?
Mainit
Medyo
masyado. But again, sometimes yung borderline, yung tapang, tapikan. Pero again, ba't mo papapatulan yan kasamang Cheeky?
Lamang na eh.
Magcha-champion ka na eh. Diba? Parang, ayan, trash talking. We saw him in game 1, 2, and 3. Just trash talking. And ito nga, yung mga coaching staff.
Doon siya nahuli.
Oh,
When he gave that elbow.
again, Coach JB Season just telling him, bakit pa? Diba?
Because that means 2 free throws. That means ball possession.
Oh, and hindi mo alam eh. Kasi, syempre, maraming pwedeng mangyari. Basketball to.
Himayin natin.
Oo.
May pasok ni Pascua ang dalawa. Lead will be down to 9. And
ito si Joshua Caraco trying to be the leader of the team. Coach JB Season just encouraging. And then, again, those are things na kailangan matutunan lang ng isang player. Again, yung
As you
energy,
grow
yung
older.
passion, Diputado definitely will make an impact in college basketball. Pero some of those things, pwedeng tanggalin mo na sa game mo, no?
Pero
28
these things,
seconds.
tama ka eh. Comes with maturity, comes with
Oo.
age.
Pero matapang tong bata na to. At,
No doubt, no
Oo.
doubt. So,
Again, ikaw naman, if you are Mapua, you just do your best until the final buzzer, and whether you win or lose, you just represent your school well, no?
explain ko lang po the reason why Karakot is on the free throw line right now, because he was fouled after receiving the ball. Pero wala hong rebounders because after this one would be free throws on the other end for the unsportsmanlike foul given by Diputado. And Karakot has 28 big points under his name.
Yet, yun nga yung naging X factor dito, 28 points para kay Josh Karakot. And among yung starting five kasi nung season 89, yung 5P team nila, si Josh lang yung naiwan. Yan,
Yun
si
yung binanggit mo
Tolentino,
nga, di ba?
Mocon, Diputado, at marami pang iba. Abuda-abude. At they're really loaded. At si Tongko pa pala, si Raj Tongko.
Kasi umangat na.
Umangat. So sila yun. Imagine mo yung ganong kalakas. So ang natira talaga dito is Josh Karakot. And, you know, crucial situation, winner take all. He stepped up. And he's gonna enjoy a 6 feet. And lahat ng mga college coaches, abangan niya na ang kanyang cellphone. Josh
Hanapin
Karakot.
na, hanapin na.
Hanapin na. Dahil sigurado, maraming magte-text at tatawag at kakausap dito kay Josh Karakot.
11 ang abante ng San Beda Concepcion for 3 all board. Last touch or a foul will be given on Lugo. At mga kaibigan, ang score po natin 76-65. Bibitaw na po muna tayo sa aming TV5 coverage. Will be transferring to action on behalf of my partner L.A. Momar. Chikere is here saying thank you for watching NCAA on TV5. We'll see you on Action TV.
Coach Randy Alcantara. And you know, it looks very dim for him, for his team right now. But you have to give credit para sa kanya. Randy Alcantara, etong Mapua, as Josh Karakot will take more free throws here. Randy Alcantara has steered this team, Mapua. Ang tagal na nilang hindi nag-finals, but through his coaching brilliance, inspiring his boys na idala niya to sa finals. Game 3 against the 6-time defending champ. Huwag natin kakalimutan yun kasama Chiki.
Nakakalungkot because Sanoa Lugo was called for a second unsportsmanlike foul, and that's it for him. Out of the game. And Karakot, under his name, has 28 points. 78-65. That will be the final score. A 13-point win para dito sa San Beda Red Cubs. History has been made. 6th straight title kasamang LA. 21 para sa San Beda, 30 para kay Josh Karakot. Your thoughts, partner, on this championship team, ang San Beda Red Cubs?
Great program para dito. Coach JB Season has led the charge. Josh Karakot, Nico Abatayo, Mark Diputado, Alas, Framil, napakadaming mahuhusay na players para sa kanilang koponan. 6 feet for them. But again, we have to give credit to Mapua. They were number 1 seed, forcing a game 3 para dito sa Mapua. So again, also credit din para dito kay Randy Alcantara.
We'll be right back. Wala akong bibitaw. Cubs ang atang kanilang mga tagahanga after winning it 78-65 in overtime. Ang kanilang pang-anim na titulo at pang-21 overall para po sa kanilang alma mater. And what a game that we witnessed. No, what the series, partner LA, ang napanood natin simula game 1 all the way to game 3.
You know, it's unfortunate that a team has to lose. Mapua came out strong game 1. San Beda, they made the necessary adjustments. Naka-bounce back sila ng game 2. But I believe that itong championship composure, of course led by Karakot at Abatayo, really played the difference here in game number 3 at because of Josh Caracot, Abatayo, and the rest of the crew, Deputado kasama na rin dyan, yung nakalamang sila kaagad.
Yes.
And then almost collapsing in that fourth quarter, forcing overtime itong makuha. But again, the championship boys to stay in the game, stay in the system, has, kumbaga, kudos dito sa San Beda Red Cubs led by Coach JB Season.
You mentioned that name, Joshua Caracot. 30 of the Red Cubs, 78 points coming from this young man, scoring from inside from
Some people call him
Three ball lahat eh.
some people call him Joshua, some people call him Andre Caracot, we can call him Kobe, we can call him MJ. Josh Caracot really stepping up, 30 big points in his last game as a Red Cub. Ang dami niyang kampyonato na ibigay dito sa kanyang kupunan. But what a way to end it. Josh Caracot, 30 points in the deciding Game 3.
Kita niyo po may hawak na microphone itong si Coach JB Season. Mamaya interviewin namin siya because we'd like to hear from him. LA has been mentioning coming from that fifth title nila last year. They were doubted to be winning this one. Ito na, Coach JB kasama namin. Coach JB, congratulations for winning your sixth title para sa San Beda Red Cubs. Chicky Reyes here, kasama si LA Mumaro. Anong pakiramdam, Coach?
Well, thank you. First of all, thank you. Siyempre, masaya dahil actually, naubos kami nung overtime eh. Akala ko tapos na yun nung regulation lang eh. Kaya lang, nag-turnovers kami, very crucial. Buti na lang, we did it right the second time.
Coach JB, si LA ito. Coach, a lot of people were doubting your team. Usually you don't doubt a San Beda Red Cup team. But this year, a lot of doubters. Nawala si Tolentino, nawala si Mocon, si Tongko, yung si Rev Diputado. But what makes this team unique and special in its own way?
Well, yung doubters, hindi naman natin maaalis yan eh. Lalo na nung pre-season pa lang, we went to 2 championships eh. So, sabi ko lang sa kanila, kung ano yung pinagtatrabaho natin, if you wanna be a winner, you have to perform.
May tanong ba ako? Quick question
Sige.
lang. Coach JB, paano ka ba nakakangiti in the midst of a crucial situation? You are probably the coolest and calmest coach dito sa NCAA Juniors.
No, ayoko lang gusto ko lang mag-rub off sa mga players ko yung kasi pinipreach natin sa kanila, dapat enthusiastic kayo sa ginagawa nyo para to give out your best. Kasi pag hindi ka masaya sa ginagawa mo, hindi lalabas yung best mo.
Well said, Coach. Champion Coach JB Season. We'll take a quick break, mga kaibigan. We'll be right back.
Thank you.
TV. Nanalo po ang San Beda by 13 points, 78 to 65. They needed extra 5 minutes para makakuha ang kanilang pang-anim na titulo. Ngayon naman, puntahan natin ang ating Arena Barker para po sa ating awarding ceremony.
And to award the trophy to our champion team, we have the ManCom Committee, headed by the chairman of the 90th NCAA Management Committee, Mr. Paul Subrad. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause for NCAA Season 90 Juniors Champion, the San Beda Red Cubs. Championship number 21, overall championship title for the juniors division, the San Beda Red Cubs, and a very rare 6P. We now move on with our finals MVP. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for forward number 14, Joshua Caracot. And we now move on with our coach, none other than JB Season.
Celebration continues. Winning coach, JB Season. Very humble enough kanina to say na wala, tinuturo ko lang sa mga bata tamang paglalaro ng basketball. And nagbunga ang kanyang pagtuturo. Mga kaibigan, we'll take a quick break. More of the post-game celebration and we return.
NCAA Men's
Unti-unti nang natatapos, tapos na ang awarding ceremony at bago kami magpaalam sa napakagandang season 19 ng NCAA, Coach LA as a coach in this division, the juniors division. Your thoughts of this great season ng NCAA?
Season 90 is actually one of the most balanced seasons in terms of the juniors division. Last year, San Beda really just lorded it over against the competition, sweeping everybody. But dito, you had a lot of contenders, Letran, JRU, etong Mapua. But you just have to give kudos dito sa San Beda. San Beda is the best program in the high school. They have a great coach leading them. They have great players and it has been a tradition. Panahon pa ni Coach Ato Badulado, tuloy-tuloy. They have dominated etong juniors division 6 straight times and you expect them to always be contenders all throughout.
Mga kaibigan, I'll mention a few names here. Mga pangalan na lumilingon sa ganitong pangalan: Brian, Van, Fortune, Jelos, Bernard, Kenneth, Icky, JR, the Cinco Llagas brothers, lahat ng cameraman namin dito. Ang technical team po namin, yan po bumubuo ng Sports 5, bringing you NCAA Season 90. On behalf of all the talents here, my partner here, LA Mumara, ko po si Chiki Brother Bengaria, saying thank you very much for watching and supporting NCAA Season 90 dahil ito po ang tunay na laban. Magandang hapon po sa inyo and see you in Season 91.